everyone, and welcome back to the 5-Minute Tech Guide. Today we are diving into something super exciting in the world of artificial intelligence. It is LangChain. If you have been hearing about large language models like ChatGPT or Gemini and wondered how to actually build cool stuff with them, this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, we'll break down what LangChain is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for artificial intelligence development. So let's get started. So what exactly is LangChain? Think of it as a toolkit that helps you build powerful applications using large language models, or LLMs for short. The key idea here is composability. LangChain lets you easily snap these parts together to create much more complex and useful AI systems. It gives your LLMs shortly superpowers. Now let's look at this diagram. LangChain basically has two main capabilities to your large language models. First, external data sources. This is data aware part. LLMs usually only know about old data, and LangChain allows your LLM to connect to new external data sources like your company's documents or company's database. This makes responses are more and more accurate. The second, tools and actions. This is the agentic part of LangChain. Here, LangChain lets your LLM use tools to interact with environment and perform real-world tasks what you want. This makes your AI, artificial intelligence AI much smarter and more capable. So LangChain is built on several key components. The first is prompts. These are instructions for the LLM, and models for your language models like OpenAI's GPT models or Gemini models or DeepSeek models, etc. Third important component is chains. They are predefined sequences of actions. You can think like that. And the other components is memory. It helps that AI remember past conversations and context. And agents, the last component, important component. These use an LLM as their brain to decide what to do next. They are incredibly powerful for dynamic and goal-oriented artificial intelligence. The benefits are clear in LangChain. Modularity, efficiency in development, and flexibility. These are more important benefits for your artificial intelligence systems. For use cases, data analysis, extraction, chatbots, or questioning and answering over documents, also code understanding, generation, the possibilities are truly endless. Now looking at this more comprehensive diagram, you can see how all these parts truly integrate, and you can see more integration, but it is a very simple integration diagram. LangChain is designed to handle the complexity of tying everything together. From how user input is processed, here you see, through data connections, and after the data connections it goes to memory. So it is the logic of chains and agents. It provides a complete framework for building powerful context-aware AI applications to us. Think of it as a central nervous system that orchestrates all the different capabilities of your LLM applications. Finally, let's talk about getting started. LangChain is incredibly accessible. It's a Python library, and the installation is straightforward. Just use simple pip install LangChain, and then also you can install an OpenAI or Google Gemini models, etc. And I recommend using a virtual environment when installation finished. And the best part is how quickly you can dive in. As you can see here, the very simple example with just a few lines of code. You can initialize an LLM and set your API key, and here from your environment you can use this and get it to generate. You see the very simple example here, and you can generate a creative response just with these codes. This means you can go from idea to a working artificial intelligence prototype very fast. It truly empowers developers to build, test, and iterate on LLM applications with ease. And that's your 5-minute dive into LangChain. We have seen how it makes building applications with large language models much easier and more powerful by making them data aware and agentic. It's we can say it's an essential tool if you are looking to create the next generation of AI power solutions. And if you want this video is helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, or let me know in the comments what other AI tools you would like me to cover. And I want to thank you for watching.